Stop doing like this, it is waste of your time. Suppose if we have thousands of names, our boss say, spilt first name and last name from the full name column. Then here, we have a trick to do this in a second. Let's see how to do this. Type first name in this column, then type the last name in the last name of column. And now if I hover on this cell, it will show small plus icon on right side at the bottom of the cell. Click and drag it down, and then you will have this option. Click on this. Now, choose Flash Fill. As you can see, we have only first names. Do same as it is for the last name column. Click and drag this plus icon, then click on this, and choose Flash Fill. There we go, we have done. Now, the second trick, to join the first name and the last name. If you have two separate columns for the first names and the last name, and your boss say, hey, I need to join these first name and last name in one single column. So let's see how to do this. For this, we will use text join formula to join the first name and the last name in a single column. Type $, then type the formula name, which is text join. Open the bracket and type double quote. Then add commas. Now select the first name cell. And then add comma. Now select the last name of cell. Close the bracket and press enter. As you can see, the first name and the last name is now in one single column. If this video was helpful, then please like and subscribe for more interesting videos.